I made it to the stream today. That looks hot. It is hot. Okay. I need to pick out a way to play music. Oh my. Cause like this is just one song. Server? Oh. So who is killing the server? Oh. Let's see if I can find this on here. Wow, okay. Bobby San, gone from SoundCloud. In a game right now, and everyone's paying us $1 trillion. Yeah, I'm seeing that too. No one has report. Actually, I think one person reported that to me. No, they reported something else. I am waiting for the server console to load. Damn it. There it is. Yeah, it's not showing up. Oh, there it is. So I think this bug is a lot worse than I thought. I need to screenshot this. Remove tracker. All right, I'm gonna find. How about this song? classic S-boy. Let's see. We'll make it a trap stream. Amazing. So what is this doing? Clear player. So happens when a player leaves the game. Okay, let's go to the bench. Wow, Windows is slow. It's crazy. So what the error message says, can we get like not full screen here? Okay. Jeez, that was difficult. Okay. New version available. No way. Imagine not just having a package manager. Why is this playing this song? I literally went like this for a reason. That sounds good. Okay, now I have to do freaking audio again. So, update tracker called on unindexed tracker. That is not supposed to happen. Man, it's happening again. I remember when I first started listening to this music, I didn't feel cool enough to listen to the music. It's like too cool for me. And it's like happening again. I don't feel cool enough to listen to this. Is that allowed? Hello, Rapid. Oh, wait, remove tracker. Okay. Oh. What are you doing? I see. Okay. Okay, so if it... I see. Okay, so it actually expected that. I'm gonna put this here. That should fix it. So then if it actually is the lowest index, well, it's not. I don't know. That's actually a good use case. Where's this getting called from? Why is it getting called repeatedly? It's literally spamming. Don't tell me there's like that many trackers or something. Okay, so now it's in timeline replication. Replicate timeline events, advance to index. Oh, excuse me. Okay, stop. I wish this would not open full screen. Is there settings? Very annoying. Okay, Alt Enter, cool. Oh, so this is from set index, advanced to index. Replicate timeline events. So let's see who does this. Timeline replication 126. Okay, so sounds good. Replication server 126. Tracker. Okay, it's network indexer active trackers. What? Is it only on that server? I don't know. That's the thing. Probably I would get complaints if it wasn't just this server. So every time this message right here happens, it kills your run. So yeah. I don't understand why this is getting spam called. Doesn't make any sense. So this is kind of fine. Okay, let's look at the change. Let's look at the recent changes. So these are the recent changes. That could do something bad. And I don't know why. Binds for resetting the bot mid-run. R? Do you mean like you spectate a bot and then you press R to reset it? What are you talking about? There's binds for all the different things. Yes, but not spectate. What does that mean? Oh, you mean like comparing yourself to a bot. You can use this diff command. Oh, the server's lagging its diff off, so I can't really use it. Okay, I'm just gonna go to a different server. Row act. Nope. Make bot path with dots. Is this the same server? Yes. Okay. I needed to shut it down because it's bad. So don't know why that is happening. Same deal on this one, but no issue. So you want diff, where it shows you your run compared to the bot. Where, oh wait. Okay. Okay, it's... Okay, there it goes. The bot needs to be loaded. It has to have the frames loaded. And also it has to not be in the start zone. Very complicated to fix. I'd have to have like virtual timers and stuff to fix that bug. I'll probably do it eventually, but it's a lot of work just for this little diff command. But you also want to visually see it, probably. Yeah, that was one thing that I thought would be cool to add is have it so that bots start their run when you start the run, or at least the one that you're racing. What? Maybe I'd have like a race command or something, or maybe maybe you, ooh, that was bad. Maybe you right click. You want a line, yeah. Is that even possible on Roblox? I think you can use the beams. Okay, go up. Oh, I forgot. Oh. I think it's possible, but it would... How would it... Can you oh, did I finish? Oh, I didn't mean to finish. Trails to the bots. No, that's a really, really bad solution. Okay, let's look at beam. Because, like, that's not a terrible thing to ask for. Yeah. Okay, connect the beam. No way. Oh my god. Okay, so we gotta... Is an object that renders a texture between two attachment objects. Oh, wow. That's very wacky. Why is this so loud? Okay, so there's textures and color gradients and width and Bezier curves. Right. So I have math to kind of do this, but it requires solving degree 8 polynomials, which I don't have a library to do that. Ugh. Wow, I could put a lot of work into this, and it's like just a tiny feature. I think you need to stick with the diff for now. So you can see it shows my speed difference and time difference to the world record bot. So I'm 2 seconds behind, 3 seconds behind, and 25 speed slower. Oh, come on. Which I believe is somewhat close. Well, no, you want to see the route? Makes things difficult. Why you gotta make things difficult? What's the feature? Person is asking for seeing a dotted line where the bot is going. Ah, jeez. Suckity suck. And then that's the end. What's the leaderboard times? Sub 110. Okay. Probably can do that. My keyboard is broken. What keyboard should I get? There's 2 keys on the keyboard that are broken. Oh, I suck. The S key and the G key. I can't type S and I can't type G. Like Pathfinder bot. I don't know what that reference is. Oh, I suck. What am I doing? Can you tell how does binds work? Basically you just have to know. There's no way to find out. There would be a wiki page about it, but the wiki is not working right now. Rather, it's you can view the wiki, but the admins cannot edit the wiki. It's busted. It's been outdated for a while. Oh, you betcha. That's an understatement. Jeez. Okay, I gotta figure out a better route here. I don't know what I'm doing. I do not know what I'm doing. What is that? So there's a really bad bug in the game that lags the server, and I would like to fix that today, but I don't really know how I'm going to do that. I don't know how I'm going to debug it. I don't know how I'm going to find it. What am I doing? Gotta say, random trap music is not the greatest anymore. Is that really the best move? Jeez. Okay, where do we go? Around to here, around to there, and then we keep going. Oh, you can't. That's cringe. This is a cringe stage. What the heck? Okay, we gotta hit 110 somehow. It won't be like that. That's the end right there, isn't it? So I can hit it. Oh, that's the route. Okay, that saves a jump. I'm going too fast. Okay, I gotta stop going there, because then I have to do this wandering mess. Yeah, that was good. Okay, this is alright. Okay. Good. Good skip. Okay, we don't. Oh, that was close. Okay. I'm just gonna go safe, safe. Ooh, it's a good song. Uh-oh. Oh, I gotta frickin' jump on squares, man. Since when do I have to jump on squares, man? Okay, 110. There we go. Number 16. Custom sounds. You're just full of good ideas. Change the text color. What's the text color? Do you mean for diff? I guess that makes sense. The chat has a black outline. So, and like this one as well. I worked on this a lot, so it also has a black outline. Oh, is that behind my camera? Oh, could you not see that the whole time at all? Yes. So I was showing this. So the diff gauge tells you your current something. It says, oh, yeah, no, it's a little bit janky because there's no virtual timers. So it can't have a virtual timer that takes on the run state of whatever partial run is completed for the bot. So it's a bit buggy in the start zone, and it's a bit buggy, or it's wrong in the start zone unless the bot is also in the start zone, and it's wrong if the bot is in the start zone. So if you and the bot are not in the same start zone state, so if you're standing in the start zone and the bot is not standing in the start zone, or you're doing a run and the bot is in the start zone, then it shows a wrong number, which is fine because, like, what are you gonna do? Virtual timers, like, that just sounds complicated. So Game Pass, maybe people can change the personal best sound when they finish. You have no idea. I had a lot of ideas for that. So The equipment system is modular enough that I could make it so you can equip sounds. And so I could have equipment slots for like trigger hit sound, jump sound, hit the wall sound, finish the map sound, world record sound. I could have all these different sounds. Then you could buy sounds in the shop. It's please do not make that replicate. Oh, you bet it's gonna replicate. You bet. There's why would I make it if it didn't have replication? The entire point is to annoy people. So I can't. That's so goofy. Goofy. Okay. But of course you'll be able to turn it off. But just by turning off players. Can you hit that? Oh yeah, easily. Yeah, so that's just like, I guess that's like money making stuff. That would probably be a good idea to do, cuz I'm looking to make some money. God damn it. But I've had my eyes on the long term. That's sort of short term. Oh my gosh, I need some cash. Which isn't really me. I don't ever really feel like that. I don't think I've ever felt like that. Which, I've been living a pretty comfortable life. My money is going down, but I'll be good for another, like, couple of years. Never had the struggle. Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm gonna open some windows. This guy does not get it. What is that? Should I blast out some shop updates? Cause like the shop is a piece of crap. So like in the shop, I need to. Oh, I have no head. I wonder how that happened. I need to make it so that when you click something, there's a little like in progress loading icon or something. Cause like it just kind of does that, right? I mean, having this is insanely better than not having the profile thing. That was an amazing update. Is Roblox your main source of income? Yep. Are you giving up on fly trials? What? Why? It's does it need updates? I do need to delete the maps that are like garbage, but I need to write new code for that, and it needs to change the database. It needs to there's a lot of complicated things that I want to do. Giving up on fly trials. What does that mean? Do you mean like delete the place? Oh my god. Okay, I gotta not go wide like that. Oh! What things need to be made for fly trials map, or no point making fly trials map? Nothing. You can just make fly trials maps anytime you want, and I can add it to the game and it'll work. Just no one has made any, so it's not me that's given up on fly trials. I didn't really make the fly trials map test place very accessible. It exists, but like you have to search Roblox for it. It's not like linked, right? So mix between surf and beat maps. It is literally all surf and beat maps right now. There is no fly trials maps, and there is no filter for which maps it loads. Really, there should be, because not all maps are good for that game. Alright, okay. Is that a... I think I might actually be able to do that. I want to do better. You can like skip on this, right? If you're a fast demon. Okay, I gotta... Oh, okay, so you can't do that. He said premium in last interview. More off premium payouts or game passes? Interview. When did I... Yeah, it's true. I make more off of premium payouts. It's because I'm so terrible at monetization. That it just falls back to the default monetization, which is the premium payouts. And that's my main... Okay, that's really fast. Can you do any skips there? Probably. I'm not gonna watch the WR bot. I'm gonna get it another time. I'll go for like 105 or something, and then I'll watch the WR bot. Oh, I suck. Okay. Ah! I made it. Okay. That was pretty bad, but I made it. Alright, this part is a little bit hard. Okay. 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 I'm not gonna skip that. Okay, that was good. I probably could have skipped a platform there, but I didn't. Come on, man. Why would you do that? I should have skipped. I would have hit it just fine. Yeah. Unlucky. Do you know the rates for premium payout? It's different for every player every month. Basically, there is a fixed amount that each player gives out each month. I don't know if it's based on what tier they have, but probably. So let's say every player gives out, I don't know, 10,000 Robux a month or something to all the games that they join. Roblox measures the time you spend in each game, and each creator proportionally gets Robux based on the proportion of time the player spent in their games. I think that's how it works. So it's if there's a player that spends 4,000 hours playing Roblox, and there's a player that spends 2 hours playing Roblox, the person that spends 2 hours playing one game, so okay, 4,000 hours is a lot. Let's say 200 hours. So two players have played your game. One player played your game for 2 hours, but that was the only game they played. And one player played your game for 2 hours, but they spent 200 hours or 198 hours playing other games. Is this song gonna go next? Okay. Then you get all 10,000 Robux from one player, but then you only get 100 Robux from the other player. That's so even though they both played the game the same amount of time. So yeah, it's based on a fixed amount that the players give out per month. As far as that's how I would make it, because it makes sense financially. You can't exploit that. Goofy trap songs. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was good. Okay, can I just go like, yeah, that's good. I suck. Any good game recommendations? Repeat of B-Hop, Siege, and COD. Oof. I basically only play games with friends. It's not a pastime for me. I like, my pastime is like reading Linux articles, honestly. Articles about random stuff about Linux. And like looking at different open source projects and just like GitHub pull requests and stuff. That's my pastime. But games I've been playing. Let's see. I've been playing Diablo 4 with friends. Deep Rock Galactic. Legend of Zelda. Teeth of the Killed. Oh crap. I wish I was playing RuneScape like constantly all the time, but I am incapable of balancing work and RuneScape because of the subscription model. If I'm not spending every waking moment playing RuneScape, then I am not maximizing the value I'm getting out of the subscription. And so it's like what, $15, but I know that I can maximize the value of that by spending the most amount of time per month, and there's the limit is the entire month. And it just tricks me into not thinking about anything else because I'm thinking about how to get the best value. Well, it's more like that underpins all my thinking rather than I'm constantly thinking about it. I'm not actually thinking about it every waking moment. I must get best value every moment I play the game. Alright, tricky part. Tricky. Yep, tricky. My friend Alex has been just slow grinding RuneScape the whole time I've been making the game update. He's been working on his Iron Man account, and I want to join him so bad, but I know from experience that I cannot do it. I cannot control myself. I will play RuneScape instead of working, and that I just can't. I can't be doing that. I want to be a group Iron Man duo. What is the best Roblox game for b-hopping? Well, there's a few choices. There is what I don't even remember the other ones. I don't remember the creator names. Sorry. But yeah, there's like 3 choices. Okay, you can't do that. Only one of them has players, and only one of them has leaderboards. Only one of them has proper physics. Only one of them has a custom physics engine. I guess that's same as proper physics. Only one of them has yeah, you get the point. I wonder what I would be doing if there was a competitor game to b-hop, if it would change the way I develop. Probably, almost certainly it would change the way I develop. I'd probably be working on features that the other game added. I would be like trying to do it better. Alright, do skip. Yeah. Okay, we go up. Oh, lost my speed. Unlucky. Okay, that looks weird. Okay, I'm supposed to go there. Okay, I have to not... What did I do? Yeah, I lost the speed. That's right. This game is so technologically advanced. Kind of. It's kind of state of the art in some areas, like the server authoritative physics. I think Trey's implementation is better. He has a more complete simulation of the client. It's whereas mine, the timers are not part of the verified simulation. So really, the timer should also, like, pretty much everything should be part of it. And maybe I'll do that when I redo like the bots to be better. I gotta hit the booster twice if I want to be a god. I guess it's only like 5 seconds that you're boosted. Ah! I suck. Okay. Whoa! So I think I can skip 2 there. Zombie. What's that? Never heard that. Oh, I suck. I mean, I can already sort of imagine what it is. It's like hide and seek. Is it not just exactly hide and seek? Yikes. Base builder. Hmm. No! Yeah, there's no stuff for that. It's not. Yeah, it's a my game is a time trials movement game. So fly trials works, but Deathrun is super different. I have been discovering. Ow! What happened to the frame rate? Remove the lerp or smoother. My G key doesn't work. And the S key. Bro. It's pretty close. What the heck? Okay, that's way better. Then I have to hit like this. I don't know if I can do that jump. Okay, I have to hit here, here, and then we're good. Okay, I'm not even gonna try. Nice. Woo! Okay, 107. Okay, so what? Yeah, lower FPS so it looks smoother is a bit counterintuitive, but that is kind of what's going on. Oh my god, the double S keys. Decal Game Pass fix. That's Roblox's problem. Roblox just does the IDs super goofy, and you just have to put in the correct ID. That's why it doesn't work. Is because Roblox is goofy. You have to use Roblox Studio to get the correct ID out of the decal ID. There's image ID and there's decal ID, and you need the image ID to make it work. So you need to insert the decal into Roblox Studio, then copy the texture off of the decal object to get the image ID, and then you use the image ID. Pretty goofy stuff. Can I just... Okay, that's fine. Why am I running this map again? I got like a time. Oh! Oh, I didn't hit it. Okay, I gotta... Does Studio crash on you often? List all the commands in the game descriptions. No, it's too long. It's like 200 lines. You can see it in the wiki though. The wiki has all the commands as of like 2 years ago. Wee. Wiki. Look. Alright, I kind of had it with trap music. We're gonna play like something else. I guess I'll play. There's this French house artist that was great, but then there was lyrics, and I was like, oh my god, it's ruined. Alan Brax. Oh my god, it's the old man. Okay, can I have like... Is that a real music? Yeah, I want stuff like this. All right. But this is just one song. Does Roblox allow wiki links in descriptions? I think it depends. And I don't think that would be allowed. Oh my god, the creator! Um, right, loud. The funky bass. Is it any different? How to get whitelisted for world records. You need to get a world record. One world record. Perm whitelisted. Get a world record. That's how. When you get a world record, you go to the pending moderation list, and then the moderators will review your times and look at which times, like you get a world record, you go onto the pending list, and then this shows all your times, and the moderators review your times to see if you're cheating or not. And if you're not cheating, you get whitelisted. I can see myself. Oh, you got I don't see the. Are you this guy? Yeah. Lazy Larry. Nice. Yeah. So yeah, I just gotta wait for the moderator to. I can't remember if people are whitelisted for fly trials. This is all your times. Well, it's the last 300 times, I believe. Fly trials on slab. No way. Jayhud, I'm instantly worse at the game. All right, let's see if we can have like a mix. Or if it's gonna be a cringe, as in have lyrics. Okay. Dude, I've been listening to classical music off stream. Just that kind of feeling right now. Why CMDS don't work? Right, be quieter. If you're gonna speak words, be quieter. For using bugs to go into walls. I am known for most number of blacklist on account. I am well known. Wow, Windows moment. You can't do that anymore, as you probably already know. Doesn't work. Let's see. Oh my god, I hate lyrics. I think that these, okay, why, I don't know, I want to know why this is spamming. Is Prison Break the only good Deathrun map? Technically, yes, but it's actually the only Deathrun map, so that's why. There's no other Deathrun maps that work. There was one that was in development, but maybe I should find that. So how do I... I see a lot of submissions. Really? Oh my god, why is it models and packages? Roblox is so cringe. Maybe speed gain? No, you can't do that either. You should talk to Tommy. There's two in-game moderators that are hackers. Oh my god, hackings. Basically, you cannot edit any. You can't modify physics. It's impossible to modify the physics. So anything that involves modifying physics, like going through walls, teleporting, gain changing, changing gravity, whatever, impossible. But external cheats, such as strafe optimizers, will still work because it's inhuman input, where it's valid input to the simulation. It's just no human could ever produce those inputs. Strafe optimizer kind of sucks. Yeah, you actually have to be good at the game to be able to use it. So it's it effectively prevents trash players from spamming leaderboards, which is pretty amazing. Trash players, like nobodies, I guess. I don't know. That's also a bad way to put it. I don't want to say that. Low effort Attention seekers. I don't know. How do I describe script kiddies? Dude, I don't have any words that aren't insults. Why are there so many... Shed. Best map ever in Roblox B-Hub. Is it true when moderator can check my replay time? Top 5. Yes, if you're top 5, the moderators can load your bots. A bot is saved if you get a time. Top 5. Because, like, if you're cheating and you get not even on the leaderboards, like, who cares? Okay, why is there so many non-Deathrun maps in here, man? Silly me for thinking I can get to the end of the list. Remember the early days? Of course I do. I remember It's the Name said that I should do it properly from the beginning, and I agreed, and then I didn't do it because it would have taken 2 years, right? So I just made it instead. And then yeah, it took a long time to basically what gave me the confidence to tackle my full game rewrite was that the game moved onto Git, so I could maintain the main development branch for the current game as is, as well as a new feature branch of the rewritten game. And I could have both of them be worked on and then merge them together and have version control. So that was one factor. And then the other factor was that I discovered how to make myself work. I discovered that if I wake up, make coffee, and start live streaming, I will always get more than 0 work done. Which almost every day I did 0 work before that. So I was like, wait a second, I can do work every day and maintain a separate branch. There is no risk. I can do it. And then I did. It's empowerment. Ooh, empower. That's is that the word? That's kind of the word. Empower. I think that might be the word I was looking for yesterday. Which, not as good as I thought. Advertising tips? You're asking me for advertising tips? I wonder if spending it all on one day is better, or if trying to get a day where some big creator isn't advertising is better, and just like split it up over like 10 days or something. I don't know, because like you're up against whoever is spending the most on that day. So if there happens to be a day where there's not big spenders, then your advertising bid goes farther. But I don't know if that's worth it over just making a big bid. I don't know. I would have to do like months and months of testing to figure that out. I have done no advertising for my game. My game is all natural. Which I don't think is the greatest. It's I could probably do with some advertising, but my feeling is that my game is not for everyone. So advertising is less effective than for normal games. So if I had a normal game where you like walk around and do whatever, then yeah, there's a little something for everyone. And then the normal like 1% click-through rate applies. But for my game, of the 1% click-through rate, 1% of those people are even going to be interested in the game. So I think it's just extremely low value. I think if I had a interactive tutorial for the game, so that the people who could become beehoppers have a pathway. Oh my god, I hate lyrics. Have a pathway to becoming beehoppers more easily. It's like a little bit more greased. Then it would make more sense to do some advertising. But yeah, it's just you really have to want to become good at the game and do your own research and have perseverance and practice to play my game. It is the most user unfriendly game on Roblox, basically. I think Spectate have other input and frame rate cause casually strafes of top players are so weirdo like impossible to do being a human. I don't know what that means. You need to rephrase that. Those are the best players in the world. 3 feet tall is pretty much the best player in the world on any Beehive game. So if you think the strafes look weird, yeah, number one is like godlike. Seeing which one has the best CTR, that's a good plan. I didn't think about that. I remember seeing a Veritasium video about that where he did the same thing where he tests different thumbnails and then puts on the one with the highest click-through rate. That's a good strategy. Other tick rate on demos. What does that mean? Other input lag. What does that mean? Can't have perfect sync. I don't really understand what you're getting at or what you're trying to say. That's the same thing. Wow, I really hate lyrics. So passionate about hating lyrics. Empower. Let's see. Where was that word? Are you watching demos and replays? I brute forced it. That's a weird way of putting it. Normal matchmaking is on 64 tick rate, and their demos of that players are rendered in 32 tick rate. My game is, it doesn't water down the bots, so the bots are 100 tick rate. Recorded 100 tick rate, playback, interpolated. So it downloads the full file to your client and interpolates it so that it looks smoother than 100 FPS. If your FPS is higher or lower. It's interpolated. Yes, I know what tick rate is. Oh, did you know that my friend's new game, I guess I could say Stylus Studios' new game, is not out yet, but it's tickless. Or I guess, well, yeah, it's analytic, so you can calculate the game state at any moment. You don't need to subdivide into a fixed tick rate. Tickless. It's so impressive. He told me about this one thing where on a specific gun reload, you throw the magazine off the animation, and there's no C-frame derivative system in the game's framework. So in order to get the velocity of the mag throw, in order to convert it from a animation object to a physics object, he steps the game to where the magazine is thrown, and then steps the game 1/10,000th after that, and then takes, it's like a, and then uses that as like the derivative of how fast the mag is being thrown. And so the entire game steps 1/10,000th of a second just to calculate the velocity that the magazine is being thrown. Yeah, so the game always runs at your frame rate instead of at a fixed frame rate, and then at a fixed, instead of using a fixed tick rate like 128, 164, whatever, the state can be evolved for any time duration, and no explicit there's no explicit minimum or maximum frame time. You can just have, so there's like events that happen in the game, such as the mag throw, and like basically there's like input events, like you pressed a key, or more likely you activated an input, like it requests to reload the weapon or requests to shoot the weapon. That's an event, and so the entire game steps to that event. The event is handled, and then the state is analytic from that point onwards, and you can render a frame or whatever based on that. So it's atomic updates using precise timestamps, and there's no fixed tick system. It's amazing. I wish I could make my game like this. Basically, I'm pretty close to this with my game already. The biggest thing in the way is the strafing. The strafing is tick rate dependent. So I would need to invent math that can fudge numbers for partial tick strafes, which is I'm not sure how that would work out for, because like usually when you have that sort of thing, it's either best to have a really high FPS or best to have a really low FPS. And I would need to make sure that it doesn't matter. So you have 240 FPS, 60 FPS, doesn't matter because the game is always updating to the physics of the throwing magazine. Your sentences are so weird. You could have 1 frame per second and the game would run the same. It would like it would do the atomic state updates and tracking and everything with the same. The end results would be the same because of the time-stamped atomic updates. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's analytic is one of the key words where it can compute a cross section of the evolving game state for any timestamp. But my game also does that. That's how my game calculates the arbitrary frame rate. It's like analytic, except for the strafing. Oh my god, it's doing the thing. I have tried to fix that bug so many times. Would be really nice to be able to fix that bug. It's hard to build that in words. Come on. Oh, it's 60. Oh my god. How do you use... Oh my god, bro. I cannot play at 60 FPS. Are you gonna make teams for Deathrun? Yeah, of course. I need to like make the game work and stuff first. Okay, we have a game. Okay, so here, this is this shows the tick rate nicely. So if I go into practice mode, time scale 0.1. So now you can see how it updates slowly or at a low frame rate. It updates on every real tick. But you can also see that my movement looks very smooth. That's because even though the underlying simulation is 100 frames per second, the smoothing simulation... I'm not going to make it. Runs a partial tick to predict how the underlying simulation will look in between this tick and the next tick, so that it can display at a higher frame rate. Smoothing simulation. There is a bug.
Excuse me, developer, there is a bug. Excuse me. The database is not connected, developer. There is a bug.
It's not a bug. It's disconnected on purpose. What else? So I can also show the hit simulation. This thing is amazing. So this is lying. It's cloning the smoothing simulation and continuing based on the smoothing simulation. Which is why it's able to look as if it perfectly stays locked to your real frame rate, or your, yeah, even though the true tick rate is much more granular or coarse. There is a bug. Excuse me, developer. I hate lyrics so much, man. Weird on the teleport. Yeah, the teleport is actually incorrect. The camera transformation is not done correctly. Oh my god, I worked so hard on all this. So that's a moving platform. You can see it's moving. It's not included in the hit simulation. So the hit simulation can't see it because it would lag. But that's okay. Wow, I worked so hard on all this. The moving platforms working with timescale is just, oh, I love that so much. You can also see, like, okay, so if the tick rate is then why does it always look perfect? Why, if I hit this wall, why does it go doo doo? That's the collisions aren't necessarily aligned with the tick rate. So how come it always looks perfect? And that is because of sub-steps. So instead of handling collisions on, like, for each tick and, like, going, oh no, it looks like you're inside a wall, I should move you outside the wall so that you're not inside a wall anymore. It goes, I think you're going to hit a wall in 0.005 seconds. So I'm going to advance the simulation to that exact time you hit the wall, handle the collision atomically, and then you never go inside the wall. It runs a sub-step. That's a partial tick. Same as the smoothing simulation, which is an analytic continuation of the game physics. And it can run as many as it needs, well, up to 32 sub-steps per tick at any timestamp to handle collisions predictively, atomically, analytically. It's tickless, but there's game ticks for the strafes. How do you do something in code calculation atomically? That's kind of a multi-threading word. It means that you never expect the data to be changing when you read it because it's always handled when your code isn't running. So there's no unexpected behavior, reading values that change, and like it might be before or after the change or something. I don't know if it's the best word to describe what I'm trying to say. Rapture. Blondie. No, it's Heart of Glass. Why does it say map is not trusted? Because it's not in the bot's inventory. Okay, am I gonna hit that one or that one? I'm gonna hit the front of it. Wow, I have a good B-Hop brain. I would hope so after 9 years of playing the game. Alright, I'm going to cross. Can't make it. Uh-oh. I'm gonna go like this. There we go. Can do routing. Look at that. So, in the old game, with the old way, when I hit that teleport, it would have gone to the other one. But in the new game, there is a sub-step before and after. Or not, I don't know about after. Yes, actually yes. There is a sub-step for colliding with the... Actually, I don't know. They're supposed to be. Alright, I'm gonna go like... It's instant. The transition is 1 frame. Always, even when you're watching a bot at 1/1000th speed. It's supposed to be, at least. 9 years playing, still not better than Twisty? True. It's so beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna hit it. See how I'm moving to the side away from the edge? Oh my god. It's so perfect. Alright, let's see if I can hit another one. So I'm gonna hit the wall and then try and see if the edge pushes me away. Oh, it doesn't. Alright, so see it's on that side. I'm gonna hit that one. Alright, ready? Boom, boom. It pushed me away from the wall. See how there's tiny things there? Alright, so if I hit this wall, it should normally send me like this way, straight along the wall. But there's a tiny bump on the edge of the wall, and you will always hit it. So I'm gonna go like this. Boom. And it pushes me away from the wall because I hit the tiniest bump. Sub-step physics calculations. This is amazing. My work here is amazing. And there's so much more work that can be done on top of this to make it even more amazing. Okay, I want to figure out why why it's trying to update a tracker that no longer exists. So I've got two screenshots here for different cases. It does it using a network indexer, and it also does it using a player removing event. Oh, my head out. Goodbye. I'll stream again on Monday. I'll be streaming again Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. In some Flat Trials Masters, world records made before the anti-cheat zones. Oh, some of the map updates. Oh, you're right. You could tell the moderators about that, the in-game mods. See if they can fix it. Huh. I assume you mean like bhop X. I don't understand how this could happen. Player removing on every frame? Why would that happen? I guess I'll look at the code. So I think this is actually okay, and I don't need to cry about it. Universal DNA. So I don't know if this is actually a bug. There's definitely bugs attached to this. Adjacent bugs like no, I guess why is it calling every frame? It's player removing. Connect. Oh. Huh? What? How is this possible? Tracker group remove. Why is it calling every frame? What? What? 90. Okay, player manager 97. Yeah, no. What? The only way this runs is if Roblox calls it. Why is this running every frame? Is Roblox insane? Can I really not trust Roblox for anything? Do I have to write my own player removing? Jesus. Is there like a silent error or something? I don't think that's how it works. I think it's loud if there's an error. Did I ever press record? Please tell me. Yes, okay. Roblox doesn't do silent errors, right? Because, like, if that errored, it... No. No. What? I do not understand this console. What are you smoking? What? Do I need to print? Return. Huh? Oh. Please don't talk. Oh my god. Okay, I need to skip. Would you trust Roblox? Never trust Roblox. The only way this is called is if the player is in the list. Okay, so it could run multiple times because it's looping over each bot. So like each player subscribes to download data from each bot. So possibly this is printed multiple times because it's looped. I think it's just not a problem. Neither of the printings here or here. Okay, this one is kind of bad. This is a leaked network indexing tracker. What did that say? Okay, so this one is a thing that happens. That's how the function is used. Okay, where is it? Thailand, America, 126. Okay, so 126. So there's network indexer. There's trackers. Okay, so how does this work? This looks like a insane potential to leak. What am I doing? Oh boy. It's a I can't imagine trying to write this in Rust with like the borrow checker and stuff. It'd be like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Like constantly. I don't know Rust. I've just been like watching YouTube videos on Rust and how it's like supposed to guide you to the correct or to a better solution. And I just think that sounds amazing. And I want to learn Rust and then become obsessed with it. And then write a game. Spend like 10 years making a game. Higher time scale. Oh my god. Okay, so is there leaked trackers on the network indexer? How is it removed? Is it like clear player? Is that the only place? Player tracker group datas. What does that mean? Tracker group class network indexer. Okay, so the trackers have a hard link to the network indexer. It's not that smooth like on old physics. Are you desyncing? You can check. You can go desync and see if the text at the bottom says because like, it should look like this. If you're cheating and setting the timescale, the client will try to self-correct because it knows that it's wrong because it receives the server physics, and so it'll desync constantly, which will look terrible because you're cheating. That's basically why. And because it tries, it's because you're not controlling the simulation with authority over how the game actually runs, which is run on the server. I'm not cheating. Oh, it changed it back. Feels so floaty in fast mode. Okay. Yeah, okay. We were. It did. Oh? That actually might help. Uh-oh, timeline. Indexer. Okay, so if I remove the tracker, timeline. What is this? This is the one with this thing. Mm-hmm. So then the indexer has active and queued. It's removed though. Like there's subtle edge cases here where like you want to like clean out the events and stuff and do everything proper, but like it's all cleanup. So maybe I just do this. I'll just use these functions. Alright, which one's first? Yeah, okay. So, okay, whatever. Okay, this is possibly a new bug. We'll see. Clean. How about scrub? How about remove? Because that's the word. Okay. Does the game break? That's the real question here. Oh my god, Windows. Really? Windows key. Windows key. Windows key. Holy. I don't even remember what I was trying to do. Right, I was trying to publish the game. I hate using Windows, and I want Roblox to work on Linux again as fast as possible so I can get off this terrible operating system. Okay, this is fine. Okay, are we still on the server? Shut down. It's impossible for me to cheat in any possible way. No, it's always possible to cheat. Okay, I broke the game. Very poggers. Okay, I'll fix it. I'll just do it the easy way. We have to change the forward slashes to backslashes because Windows is backwards thinking and Linux is forwards thinking. I have to say that every time because it's funny every time. I did that right. There's a bug. Did I forget to publish? Okay, can you like work? Did I forget to press Control S? Is it no, it's just okay. Did I forget a backslash or something? Oh, it's make 2, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, that's it. This music is kind of boring, but needs something. And I don't want to look into it. Okay. Right, we're looking for bugs. So it's when players leave. There's bugs. Oh no, there's bugs. Possibly that was causing some kind of... Like, it's supposed to get cleaned up. By the next... what is it? Sort of like run through of the network of the indexer, but I can't really guarantee that. So when the tracker is removed, it's probably just best to totally remove the tracker indexer. Remove the tracker from the tracker indexer as well. So let's try it. Unload. Wow! No way! So does that keep an... Does that keep a reference to the... I think it does. Maybe that's a memory leak fix. It maybe. That might have fixed all server crashing. Probably not though. Because, you know, plot code and stuff.
Unsupported software. Actually, your KMS activator does not work on this version of Windows.
Oh my. Are you using Windows S mode or something? Come to Linux. Come to the dark side. Custom ISO. Come to Linux. We don't have Roblox. You gotta run a Windows virtual machine just to play Roblox. And games with anti-cheats that don't support Linux. It's so great, trust. I love when nothing supports my operating system. It's so good. Okay, what if I leave the game and join? What happened? What happened? It's fine. But this is so calm. Okay, what if I do the Goober machine? What if I go like game and I do these lines and then we do that. Make 2. Alright, so now it'll load a bunch of bots and then I can like switch maps and see if it like is all cringe and stuff. Nice. Okay. Get ready. Okay, so this should have a lot of bots. Why is the GUI the wrong scale? Okay, so now we go to easy v2. It unloads the bots, loads in new bots. Server. Memory. Wow. Did I just fix it? It's so crazy that just by working every day, I'm like, oh, that's a bug. Just in random code. And then it turns out it's a bug that was breaking the game for like 5 years. Just working every day, diligently on anything. I'll eventually encounter all bugs over the course of 100 years. But I'll have created 100 new bugs to replace them. So, the never-ending grind continues. Just like I want, to be honest. I would do this for like 40 years, I think. Doesn't have to be on bhop. Programming is so awesome. It's so awesome. Oh, I suck. Ow. At least 40 years. 100 years. 1,000 years of programming. I don't know about 1,000 years of bhop, but programming is pretty amazing. So, server memory is mostly just Roblox doing goober things. It's below. Okay. Okay, what if I just like load the test map repeatedly? It loads all the bots. That looks pretty nice. Is it gonna go higher? I expect it to go higher. Okay, it did go higher. Yeah, I think it's going higher. Oh my god. But it will garbage collect at some point, I think. Unless it just is leaking forever. Obfuscated? Man, that's some insane stuff. Schizo. Okay, it doesn't really look like it's going down. That looks like a memory leak to me. That's unlucky. I wonder if the bots are freed and it's not the bots, it's something else. I have no idea. There's no way to know, really. That's not true. Maybe it'll help. Maybe it'll stop some other thing that was accidentally freeing memory. I do not know. Yeah. I definitely don't want that spam print. I think I'm gonna publish it. This can go away. We can go like okay, let's do Deathrun. Right, I wanted to find that other Deathrun map. Oh, it's the last page. Okay. Oh, it's not the last page. Okay. Oh. Oh, let's go. Is it Mudkips? Who is making the map? Revamp. Let's just load this one for now. Oh, alright. It's it's not in the game. I can't. Okay. Okay, I pushed. So I'm gonna go over to Linux and use the easy tools that are easier to use. What is this? This is the game. I have to go to pull this. Hard reset. And then I go to terminal to Deathrun and I make Deathrun map test with a U. Very poor. Okay. So now we're gonna map. Uh-oh. Oh. Do I have the password? Probably not. Oh, I do. Awesome. What? Okay. Unlucky. It's not working, and I don't know why. Let's keep looking through the inventory. Oh, there's prison. What is happening? I'm trying to find a DR Deathrun. A map. This one, actually. Oh, I'm not an admin, I see. Okay, the map loads. Oh no. Okay, so it's gonna destroy me at some point. That's okay. Ah, the good old Union. Oop. There we go. Why am I slower? What the hell? Oh. Ooh. Error. Yes? Derivative. Well, at least it doesn't freeze the client anymore. This is weird. That's a lot of buttons. This is hard to see. It should probably not be so far up. It should probably be like inside the wall or something. This is the map I wanted to load. Oh. Oh. Oh, there's a wall, isn't there? There's no wall? Ain't no way. No way, dude. You can literally just B-hop it. Omega wall. I am curious if that would work. Oh, where'd he go? Unlucky. I was hoping that player would stay in the game. Hello? Oh my god, the Roblox clipboard moment. I am curious if the buttons work, I guess. Basically this one, I'm just curious. If someone can press the button and push me off. I can't actually do it myself. Don't know why this is not movable. Roblox using the most memory. Oh my god. What do I do? I don't know. How do I make the game? How do I make a game? Oh my god, bro. I need. I mean, I assume it would work, but it's untested. I'm gonna go look. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Get them. Oh! Are they triggers? Okay, you can't. Is this a trigger? No. It's a kill particle. Does it just like. Does it do anything? What the hell is this? Ah. Ah. Okay. Why is this like this? Bruh. I wonder if you can jump on that. Probably not. I guess I can test it. How many people are here? 10? There's 10 people watching this? Can you join the game and press this button? Where is it? Deathrun map test. Uh-oh. Okay. There. Oh, we got a gamer. Okay. I want you to push me off using the button. So hit the teleport, the blue teleport, and then go up top and press this button right up there, the green button, and see if it pushes me off. Oh, it worked! No way, we have Deathrun. Okay, what about the next one? What happens if you press the next one? Because, like, I can't go in there. Dang, it doesn't let me through, man. Doesn't let me through, man. Can I like go around? Can I go like? Oh my goodness. It's probably just a mistake. Oh my god, bruh. How long did it take to get to this point? Okay, let's see. This map was made. Why doesn't Roblox say when it was made anymore? Okay, it'll be about the creation of this. Created, wow, halfway through 2021. It took until now to have a working-ish Deathrun movie. Thank you for helping me test. Oh! You got me! This is the only Deathrun experience with the new moving platforms is this specific trap on this specific map. This is the only one that you can do it. Like, no, I guess that's not true. Prison Break does that as well. So it's not supposed to be a trigger. What I need to do is have a kill part and death. I need to make it so that you die. I need to make it so that there's a ragdoll and then you become like maybe a floating camera. You know, it'd be cool to like change the player model to a floating camera and you just see a bunch of cameras going around watching the rest of the game. That'd be interesting to see like spectate and everything. Oh, spectate doesn't replicate though. Death effect. Death. All right, wait a second. Can I b-hop so hard that I go around? Oh! All right, what about in fast mode? Oh, there's no fast mode. Unlucky. I can, but there's another one. Okay. It's far. Oh, it's so far. Oh. Oh, close. Not super close though. Nope. Yeah, that's really hard. Okay. Camera punch off. Then we can. Okay, it's possible. But you need a lot of speed. Maybe I should download this map and fix it. Okay, get. What's this? Button. God, am I Deathrun? What? Okay, I want to see if it has buttons in it. Is that the button map? Can you like go into there? Minecraft escape. Oof. Insane. What is this map? I don't know. Okay, so it did. Okay, come on. I hate lyrics so much. What? What the tarnation? All right, but I don't know. I don't know what that map is. How does people get models like that? What do you mean, the texture from Minecraft? I want this one to work and stuff. You can find that stuff. Why do I not want to work? Okay, look at the. How do I make progress with Deathrun? Right, I wanted to figure out why it bugs out. I guess let's go to the map and then make it bug out. Deathrun, Deathrun. Nowhere. Oh, this is another map. Okay. Deathrun, Deathrun. Let's go. Big ol' error. Okay, okay, whatever. It doesn't work! Why? Oh my god, bro. And these ones don't work anymore either, right? Are they buttons? Why? I guess I'll log into stupid map test account. Doesn't remember. Why? Okay. What the server doing? Does it work for... I feel like it doesn't work. Because, like, it's not working for them. So it only works right when the game starts. So the only way those buttons work is when the server tells the client that it was pressed. Meaning it must go through the server like that. Okay, this does work. Oh! They got me! Oh my god. Yo. Okay, so it's possible for clients to become immune by becoming bugged. What? How, why, how, why? Oh my god, bro. Oof. Alright, what happens if you press this button? I'm kind of curious. Do I just go flying through the roof? Oh, it's the... Dang it, you can't ride platforms. Okay, now it's bugged. How many lines of code does your whole game have? It's about 60,000. Oh, you can't go through there. I think you can stand on these, yeah. Oh, you can't go. Oh, okay, so it activated on the server, but I didn't see it. I'm bugged! Everything is bugged, man! Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Okay, so if you press that button, does it desync me when I go like this? Yes. Okay, so I'm like much lower, and then I hit the trigger. Okay. La 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 la. Oh my god, bro. These should not be triggers. They should be kill parts. But I guess it's helpful because I think this is just a trigger. Oh. Because the kill parts don't do anything yet. Okay, so... Does this work? What? Would you have to make that into a surf? Oh, you could fight it with just the A key or D key. Just strafe against it. So you can make a fake moving platform here, or a like conveyor belt type. Oh, wait, can you do that? Yes, you can. Actually, I don't know. I don't know. Oh my gosh. This is upsetting how buggy this is. It's really upsetting. Upsetty spaghetti. Oh, I want lasagna now. Okay, so should I? If I work on other aspects, I won't debug it. Is it just some miscalculated future? Is it because you can pause the game, maybe? Maybe. So yeah, I need to remove. Okay, so how do I make a death? Okay, death run checklist. Death run checklist. Moving platforms, just in general. Teams. Win condition. Death. Dying. Death and dying. What's this? What else? Round timer, I guess. Hey, I have timers. And then, I marked all of the stuff on this list as easy except for the moving platforms, and I've been basically only working on the moving platforms. Yes. I should put this on the to-do. How old is this? And it's over. Oh. Okay, is that... I mean, making a checklist like this is excellent for my productivity. I'll knock one of these off every day. The to-do text? Hell yes. Okay, I gotta put still suck because I've splurged hundreds of hours into working on moving platforms, and they still suck. So I just about putting more time in. Yeah, so I had this checklist before I published the game update. It's been a long time. It's been like 7 or 8 months since I had the checklist up, the to-do list. Teams. How am I gonna put that? Put this. Am I gonna have a player list fork? Okay, now I'm thinking about when players join the game. If a game is already running and you join, you probably should go on the runners team almost no matter what. And then it's balanced every round, so. Is it fun if one player so if there's a game pass that's like choose preference, and you get to choose whether you're you get to set a preference as to whether you prefer to be death or runner, and what ends up happening is everyone prefers to be is like most people prefer to be runner, and then there's like one player that's almost always the death. Is that fun, or should I not allow that and not have a game pass like that? I feel like it's fine. Because it'll just be preference. And so it'll pick from the preferred lists first, randomly. And then if it can't meet the team quotas, then it starts randomly picking otherwise. I think it's fine to have a game pass to prefer. Do you think I should have a map time limit for Deathrun? Man, the mental is so different just because the traps sometimes work. It just seems like a game now instead of like, oh, no one's gonna play this. And it's like, alright, it's a game. Spectate is so good. He said confidently. Right, so there's so much I need to remove from the game. Oh, it doesn't work now. Cool. Gonna need to figure that out. I can sort of just kind of do that over time. Maybe I'll figure it out as I write the Deathrun code. Maybe I'll just write a bunch of Deathrun code. And it's like game. I guess I have to fix this map because this is the only Deathrun map. What is an MMR? Movement recorder. Movement recording. Interesting. There's only a fence on one side. Or a ladder. I could not. Ooh. This is bugging. Oh my god. Oh, it's so buggy, man. The buggy, man. Brink. Look at how epic this is. So perfect. Yeah, it's still amazing. Okay, there's a nerf. I think the walk speed is too. I have to do that. I guess should I put that on the checklist? Yeah, why not? Realistically, I need walk speed style modifier, which should not be that hard. There's only one hard thing on this entire checklist, and that's the top thing, the moving platforms, because that includes the buttons, and they are very clearly broken, and the system is really, really complex. But all the other things should be like a day, tops. So probably I should just like work on them. Making this checklist was a good idea. In fact, all of today was worth it because I made the checklist. Contact info relative. Sure. Okay. Death and dying. Okay, so I got the to-do list now. It's the G, man. It's the real G. I should probably get rid of practice mode as well, you know? Just the G, man. I'm touching his G's. Wait, why? The suitcase is a separate model? That's hilarious. Gaming on top. Oh! What a hail. Is his head a separate model? What a hail. Maybe. Right, it doesn't work. Why doesn't it work, man? It doesn't work. Oh my god. I want to end the stream so bad, but I barely did anything today. Oh my god. Yeah. Writed one line of code. More like 4. Oh, well, no, I deleted. I published this. I guess it's not that big a deal. Okay, did not realize I was publishing the zones comment. Right. So I should probably go to the game and make sure it's working. That's always something that I should do. This map, this week. "21 minutes solitude." 3 hours. There's 12 players playing this map. Are they really playing it? Brick colors. No way. How that's one of the maps that is impossible to run now because of the memory leaks, right? How is it? God, this game is so amazing. Oof. Wow. 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 Ooh. Big skip is. Oh, I suck. Okay, so start server. Big data. Yeah. Okay. So it works. The game still works. Great. That's great. That's great. Well done. Uh-huh. Oops. Good. Good. Great. Fast is slower. XD. This must be insane bitrate. Yeah, no, this is 275 megabits per second. This would make the stream VOD very large to continue watching this. Very confusion. What? Oh my, oh, what is that? Oh my god. It's like a force field. It looks like a force field. Yeah. Damn. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. It works. The game works. Okay. So what are the changes? I'm gonna announce the changes and then I'll end the stream because haha. 4 comments. Basically this is the only notable change. Okay. It's there. Maybe it fixed a memory leak. I have a to-do list now with all the things I need to do for Deathrun, which I can add and remove to and look to for guidance for what I should work on. Everything is fantastic. We love playing Beehab. Well, not a super productive. I mean, I did fix the bug. I didn't make the game work, so I guess it is technically a productive week where like Deathrun is a real thing now. So I did more than nothing this week. It works. It works a little bit, and then it breaks. But it didn't work at all before. So there is a little bit more than nothing. Look at how nice my apartment looks. There's a floor. It's great. I love having a floor. Yeah, I guess I'll end the stream and come back on Monday. Now that I have a to-do list, I should be able to just smack out 1 or 2 items per day. I could probably do everything in one. No, I don't know about that. Everything in one day would be a lot. That'd be really productive of me if I did that. Just like make the entirety of Deathrun. Right. Okay. Right. So another thing, we get the beautiful shutting down screen. Another thing is remove extra features, basically. And I guess I list them. Reset. Pause. Practice. Styles. Etc. And more. I'll just say and more for now. That's all I can think of right now. Okay, so I'll extend this list. I'll work on the items. I'll do things. I'll make things happen. Things will. I have a checklist now, and it's not going to take 1 month from when I started Deathrun, but that's okay. That's okay. Deathrun will take longer. Surprise! It's going to take a little bit longer. A little bit, he says. I did not expect moving platforms to go so unsmoothly. Well, I did expect it to go unsmoothly. I just didn't expect it to go that unsmoothly. That was a lot of work. Crying and crying and crying just to get to the bare minimum where you can see it. Crazy. All right. Goodbye. Stream again Monday. Start streaming again. Goodbye.